Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Tsing Yi right now, and according to the caption, Sky Tunnel. You might not get what it means, but it means that the tunnel to Tsing Yi, from Tsing Yi to Sunny Bay, which is above ground, and when he heads out to Lantau, it went back on the ground. But when you go through the tunnel, you can see this ocean at the bottom. So that's why it's above this. It's above ground. So I call it Sky Tunnel. Tsing Yi to Sunny Bay. What's number of the train? Oh, the 807 train. I really want the 6 train. The number 6 train. This is number 7 train. This one should be an explosion train. This one should be the door banging train. Here we go. Quite a lot of people on this train. What the heck? Huh. Not really an explosion train, but it closes very fast. And again, no notifications, no announcements that they'll just suddenly close. Trying to get the sound of the train in here. To switch sides. But when I reach Sunny Bay, I won't be getting off. I will be heading over to Chung to start another video, so just to make it a little bit easier and the timing a little bit better. Actually, sorry, I will be getting off at Sunny Bay, but yeah. But the last video for today will not get off. I won't get off the train for the last video, which this is not the last video. The last video will be me heading back out to the city, so. 左侧可以换乘迪士尼线，左边的车门将会打开。Sunny Bay Interchange Station for the Disneyland Resort Line. Doors will open on the left. A little slow on my announcements there, but that's totally fine. And Sunny Bay. The platform gates. Let's get out. It's a slow entry again. Alright, let's get out. Someone going to Disneyland with, I think, a whole family going over to Disneyland. Sunny Bay! Let's wait for the train to leave. What is that delay of that platform gates? Remember to like and subscribe down below. Click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Click on the videos up top. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.